Hello, I'm Ryan Despain, Product Manager over Automation at Domo. In this Domo Drop, I want to talk about a new capability we've added to our agent task that enables the AI to call workflows as tools. Many of you have used agents as steps in your workflows to help process different requests and tasks, and you're able to do this by configuring code engine functions and AI services as tools the agent could leverage to perform different jobs it may be asked to do. Well, now you can include workflows among the available tools you can give to the agent. Let me show you a demo for a closer look. In the agent task, under the Tools tab, you can now select a workflow when you add a new tool. Clicking the new workflow facet filters the tool view to only show deployed workflows available to you that you can scroll through, or you always have the option to type in the search bar to filter the results that have matching characters. Selecting a result option will bring up a workflow preview. You'll see the details for the workflow version, such as the description, the inputs and outputs, and a visual preview lets you look at all the steps for that workflow. Click the Add Workflow button to include it to the tools list for the agent. From there, you'll want to edit the tool after it's been added to the list to review and add descriptions for the starting parameters to help the AI know how to map the data the workflow needs to successfully start. It's also a good idea to look at the overall workflow description to make sure that it accurately depicts what the workflow does to help the agent know when and how to use it. Now let's look at a working example. Here I have a workflow that facilitates roadside assistance requests for motorists that need a service operator to drive out and lend them a hand. I want to focus on this first step where I am using an agent to help with the dispatch logic. I've asked the agent to generate a case number for the request and then to find a contract agency that is based near the customer's location, and it should find one by querying a dataset that I've added to the Knowledge tab. Once it finds the applicable contract vendor, I've asked it to contact that agency and have them dispatch a support operator to the motorist's location, and it should recognize that I have a tool called Dispatch Service Operator that'll run a workflow to complete those steps. When the AI has confirmation that the agency has received the request, I prompted the agent to send a notification to the motorist, letting them know that help is on the way, and it should use this code engine function tool called Notify Motorist. Once the request is complete, the agent should produce outputs for the agency name, the message that was sent to the motorist, and the case number. Let's go ahead and test this agent to see how it responds. I'm going to add some inputs for variables that were included in my prompt. We'll say the issue is a flat tire. The customer will say they're north of price at mile marker 255. The vehicle will put them in a Honda Civic. And I'll give them an ID number. And let's give them a name. And we'll go ahead and test it. All right, it looks like the agent completed the request. Let's look at what happened. The first thing it did was generate a case number and then queried for a contract agency that's near the motorist. It looks like it found one called Guardian Tow and Recovery. Next, it looks like it ran the workflow by calling the Dispatch Service Operator tool, and it sent the details to the contractor agency and received confirmation that they have the case. From there, it sent a message to the motorist using the Notify Motorist tool, and we can see that message generated here. And then finally, it captured the outputs that I've configured on the agent. In this simple example, you saw that the agent treats workflow tools like any others, deciding which tool to use and in what order based on the information you provide. Also note that agent tasks have a 1-hour time limit, which is important to consider when using a workflow as a tool, especially if it includes manual steps. But overall, we're excited to give you more options for intelligent automation. Having the right tool for the job can make all the difference, and with the addition of this feature, you'll have more tools at your disposal. Your agents will be able to leverage and reuse the workflow solutions you've already built. Workflow tools and agents are available now, so please go check it out and see what's possible. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next Domo Drop.